An Israeli surveillance software tool capable of accessing microphones, cameras, and other data.
Well, I was working with Jamal in some different projects, and I've learned in maybe at the beginning of August that my phone was hacked. So basically, they were listening to every single conversation that we had.
Pegasus is a module malware that can initiate total surveillance on the targeted device. It installs the necessary modules to read the user's messages and mail, listen to calls, send back the browser history, and more, which basically means taking control of nearly all aspects of your digital life. It can even listen into encrypted audio and text files on your device. That makes all the data on your device up for grabs. Earlier, the virus was sent via an SMS or a WhatsApp message as a link. Clicking on the link immediately infected the user's device.
They send you a time-sensitive text message, and it's got a link in it. It's something that you have that human impulse. You see it, you go, oh goodness, I need to check that. Everything in the entire history of your phone, it can immediately copy. Everything that happens on your phone from that day forward, every place you go, everyone you call, everything you read, every photo you take, every audio note that's been on that, or actually because they can turn the microphone on remotely.
The updated version of Pegasus, however, is even more powerful. A missed call is enough for the malicious code to get into your phone. As per our latest data, 1,400 individuals across 20 countries has been spied on, and at least 20 of them are Indians. Here are some latest data related to the spyware. Now the question is, can we uninstall it? Then there is a big no coming. According to the reports, even a factory reset won't help. But now that WhatsApp has patched the security issue, buying a new device and changing all your passwords may be the only way to get rid of it. Now we are giving you some tips to stay virus free. Always pause before you click on a link, even if sent by a friend. If you receive a link from an unknown sender, ask yourself if you were expecting such a message. Use strong passwords. Keep all your apps updated. Avoid apps with dubious reputations or those developed by firms that don't share information about themselves. Not all applications are out to get you. There are some that you can use to protect yourself. For Android phones, Lens Cap allows you to turn off your device camera for any or all apps. You can even add a shortcut to your phone's home screen to enable and disable your camera with a single tap. For iPhones, go to Settings, choose Screen Time, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions, then choose Allowed Apps and slide the camera option to the off position. Now, your iPhone camera will remain disabled for any app until you enable it again. And when in doubt, simply follow the IT mantra. Turn off your device or leave it in another room if you feel the conversation you are about to have is sensitive. So this is all we had to say. For more such videos, subscribe and stay tuned.